What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and we are in the Jaguar F-Type. And this is day 5. On day 5, who knew we would be doing this? This is fantastic. So we're out in the countryside right now, giving this car really a good test to see how it does on the road. Right now, amazing. Look at this view, look at this car, the sounds it makes, the handling, and the feel. And this, when you're in your seat, it is amazing. This is great. Obviously, we don't have a hood on, so we're doing this very carefully and not going to try to draw too much attention to ourselves just to see how well this car really does.
Before we get too eager, let's go ahead and dive into this box. We are here today and sitting in front of some wood. Not just any wood. It's a big box.
Hey look, a cardboard box washed up on the beach.
Look what I got. It's a new part for my Jag. And so, what could be this big, this long, that fit in a box like this and have it shipped across the country? I bet you probably already know, especially down from the picture in the title. So yes, this is my brand new, well, slightly used Jaguar hood. And as come, it looks like a great box. This looks great, and boy, is it tall. Ooh, I have never gotten something like this before in my life. And I'm excited to get it open. I don't think I'm moving that by myself, am I? This is quite the day for working on the Jag, so we have some new equipment we're going to be trying out here. We're going to do it. Oh, metal press machine. So check it out. This is what we have here. We have our 2. This is the bad one, and that actually looks pretty good. Yeah, because it is pretty good. It's bent a little bit more, but now this is the new one that is very well reinforced with different welds all in place. And we're going to try to mimic it to be just like this. So we're already pretty close. So if we can see right here, there's a slight bend. Now we have to go ahead and keep trying to get out here. So we keep going on this, and this is working pretty well. Closer look at all of this. See right through the plastic? Yeah. It's this carpety, rubbery foam stuff. This is some good packing. Alright, I'll take it. Nice and everything's well taken care of here. When I was scratched up, we're gonna have to find out. I'm gonna deny it to you guys. This is a very good condition. You see in the light here? So you got some surface wear and like swirls, I would say. This is very, very light. This should be a piece of cake to clean up. Now one thing we have to worry about though is I can hear this. Yeah, we got some major contamination on there. So we gotta use a clay bar, get it all cleaned up and detailed. We have maybe some dirt, but not bad. Maybe like a bird poop stain, swirls again. But here's like the big caveat. So right in here. Yep, there it is. So these are a little bit deeper. You can probably hear that. Not too bad. Not too bad actually. Well, not bad. My plan is to go ahead, patch these up, and then just kind of blend it in a little bit. First we gotta clean it, see how bad it is. We'll kind of go from there, but not bad really at all. Then they left these. I asked them to take them out because they could sell them, but hey, they left them in there, so thank you on that, people. Okay, well, what do you think? I think it's time to go ahead, bring the Jag in. Oh, what's this? Get a little chip right there. A little bit. It's okay. I'll be frank with you, I was a little worried because I didn't think I'd have another bracket, but I do. On the hood, it's right here, it's still on there. At least they kept one thing on the car, for Pete's sake. So now we gotta install the other one right there. Shouldn't be a big deal. And, well yeah, I got all this stuff here. So I was worried about this old one and getting that all bent back in shape, literally. And I didn't even need to do that because I have this one. That should fit up, right? Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Well, one thing I'm a little worried about right now, everybody, we've got a concern here. Animals, they're starting to chew the foam. This is not OEM stock. They're coming in fast and hard, so we need to put this thing back together fast for the sake of me, because I want to drive my car, but for the sake of not having everything chewed up, the foam, the wires, plastic, anything else. You cannot have this on a car like this. No way, no how. So we need to work fast. Tomorrow we'll be putting in the window and the door sill and the side there, and Really happy about that because that's gonna be great. I can close the stinking window. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this on and get the hood on. I want to drive it on the road. But oh boy, the back roads here, amazing. Can I do this tonight? I don't know. Oh hey, what's up, my man? Did you find a new place to hang out? The cat likes the Jag. Makes sense to me. Oh my god, of course, dude. In fact, I just found a mouse, just in the engine compartment. Not good. We need to take care of this now. Where's that stinking cat? There's literally just here. Oh, I don't like this. This is not good. We need to move fast and hard. I'm telling you, we gotta do hardcore. I'm fixing this now. Come on, kitty, come here. I got something for you. Come here. Come on, take out the trash, right? Here. It's in there. Ready? Go. All right. What you gotta do? I don't know what it is. Let me help out. Cat, get him. Alright, stay guard, cat. Come here. Get a flashlight. Dude, look that down there. It's down there. Alright, we gotta flush this thing out, man. Ready? We got evidence still of them all the way down and there. So I'm going to try and get them out more. That sucks. We have to make sure they do not come back. We can't fool around with this. Hood is on. The bolts are in, mostly. One's tight, all the rest are kind of loose. But let's check the footage here. Look at that gap. That is a beautiful gap still. Perfect. Let's check the other side. That's where the big problem was. The hood is snapped into place, but see? All right. A little bit. It's still moving around a little bit, but still got really nice gaps. I think once we finalize it, it'll be just even better. Good down here too. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good, man. All right, let's open the door. Let's open the door. Right here. Beautiful, beautiful. We gotta check everything. We gotta check all the fuses and relays and stuff like that. It's like to hope and think they're all pretty good, but I don't know. So I'm gonna start going through all these. See what we got. On the fuses, we'll button this back up here and see if we can pop on some lights maybe. That'd be fun, huh?
We have headlamps. We might as well continue on with this, and while we're waiting for bigger parts to come in, let's go with the smaller ones. So I have a brand new headlamp right behind me. This mess here, but right here, in this very specific spot, we got right in this box. And no, it's not that big, but pretty close. Let me show you. There it is, my new Jag headlamp. This is a nice one. It is from a pulled car that, I don't know what happened to it, but it's really sweet looking. No major damage and anything like that. I couldn't barely find anything. I mean, there's maybe like a nick in there from like a pebble. That's what I kind of saw. Maybe some bugs on here. But other than that, looking really nice. Everything's functional, all the clips are there, and that's exactly what I need. So, how much did I pay for this beauty? Well, let me tell you something else first, right quick. Now, let's go back to the pricing sheet of what the shop wanted to charge to replace both of these. Not one, both. Now, each one cost a certain amount that I was not willing to pay. How much was that? I want you guys to guess because I want to see what you guys are thinking. So go ahead and comment right now. Do that. Give me a couple seconds to think about this. But here's a few hints. This is Jag. This is European Special. And these are LEDs, fun stuff. So go ahead, comment right now. How much do you think one single headlamp, just one light unit, is? All right, go for it. It's a nice headlamp. I wonder if people are going to guess this right. Okay, that's enough time. So, how much is it? It is, for one, just one, almost $6,000. Yeah, this is mind-boggling. They wanted to replace two. That's almost $12,000. That's a new car. That is a nice new used car. How much did I pay for this thing? Well, let me tell you something. I got it for $360-ish. dude, it's a steal of a deal. For a lamp like this, absolutely. There's some other ones in there that had some imperfections, a little bit more than what I would want. So I don't want to go any cheaper, and I wanted to keep it as nice as I could. But see this thing? It's huge. I'm gonna clean it up with some polish. Start from here, see if we have to do some compound then, but hopefully not. Get the lenses as clean as possible without any imperfections on them, and we're gonna coat it then with protective film on the front. I did this with my Accurate TL, and it's lasted for so many years so far. It's still going strong. We'll do the same thing on this one and the other one as well. So let's go ahead and get polishing this baby up.
Alright, there's a lot happening here. We got the new hood on, and we have all the lights taken care of. How did it look together? Well, you have to wait till the next episode to find out. Don't want to overwhelm you. We gotta make sure everything is perfect. So guys, what did you think of today's video? If you like today's video, make sure you give a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down below for more content quite like this and much more. Have any comments or questions about any of this going on here, go ahead and leave it down below. Love to talk about it and communicate with you guys as well. And if you want to check out my merch store for some shirts, go ahead and check out the link, and also my Amazon links for parts and tools we used on this whole build as well. It's all very exciting, and I hope you guys will stay with me here on this whole build. So thank you guys once again, everyone, for watching. This is GTSam, and I'm going to catch you next time.